Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Shopify store name. So let's get started. Open up your Shopify application and also make sure that you're logged in. Make sure to select the store that you are trying to change the name in. Go to the top left hand corner and tap on your profile picture. Select your store from the options and tap on it. Once you are in this page, tap the three dots located at the bottom right hand corner. Now click on Settings. Under Store Settings, tap on Store Details. Tap the edit icon right next to Profile. Now, right where it says Store Name, erase the current store name and type in the new name you would like to set for this store. Once you are done giving in a name, you can tap the Save button at the top right, and once you save the change, your store name will be changed as well. Now that is how you can easily change your store's name on Shopify. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.